Welcome to Sri Sai Guru channel. Today's class, the same lesson, introduction about the trigonometry. The word meaning trigonometry you studied yesterday class, three sides measurement. My dear student, it does not give the meaning of the deep meaning of trigonometry. Trigonometry basically it is defined as the ratio between any two sides of right angle triangle with respect to the acute angles. Yes, very important point. We are going to find the ratio in between any two sides of right angle triangle with respect to the acute angles. Okay, see here, you know that all right angle triangle has how many acute angles? It is two right angles. So here A and C are the two acute angles. B is what? 90 degrees. So here, what the trigonometry does, it does the ratio in between any two sides. I am writing here, I will write the definition of the trigonometry. It is defined as a ratio between any two sides of a right angled triangle. Ratio between the measure of, ratio between the measure of, I am adding here, measure of any two sides of right angled triangle, related to acute angles or with respect to acute angles only. Okay, this is most important because next upcoming class we have to find the ratio between two sides of triangle when an angle is given, when any one of the acute angle is given. Dear student, first understand about the meaning of the trigonometry. Trigonometry is what we are going to study here. We are going to study ratio between measure of any two sides of right angle triangle with respect to the acute angles. Okay, come to the next point here. See, in any triangle, how many ratios can we form? See, obviously all the triangle has what? Three sides, AB, and here, see here, AB, BC, CA. So we can form different way. We can form the ratio in different way, like AB by BC, BC by CA, CA by AB, and its reciprocal. AB by BC and CB by BA. So total you can form 6 different ratios. That 6 different ratio. Before going to that, I want to write all the 6 different ratios. That is AB by BC. AB and BC. BC divided by AC. Next AC by AC divided by A. 3 ratios over. Easy way of writing the ratios of the right angle triangle. And take its reciprocal. AB by BC reciprocal is BC divided by AB. Next AC divided by BC, and from here last ratio we will get AB divided by AC. So totally 6 different ratios are possible here. 6 different ratios. That all 6 different ratios we will giving the name by some Greek word that is called as what? Sin theta, cos theta. These are all what? Greek words. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, and secant theta. And last one is cotangent theta. So these all different kinds of the ratios are given by the name sin, cos, tan, cosecant theta, sec theta, and cot theta. So in next coming class we are let us learn about what particular ratio are there here. I have written some different kinds of the ratio. That all the ratios are given by some trigonometric ratios. Okay. So before going to that, see here, this is about the ratios I wrote here. And now go for next concept, nailing the sides of right angle triangle. Dear student, this is very important. You know that the side which is opposite to the right angle is always hypotenuse, which is the longest side of the right angle triangle. Okay. Next. So this is AC is the hypotenuse, longest side of the right angle triangle which is opposite to right angle. And next, see if I consider angle C, the angle C which is acute angle, the side which is adjacent to the angle C is called adjacent. That is called as adjacent side. Next, with respect to the angle C, as I told before, we are studying the trigonometry, means the ratio of the two sides with respect to the angle. So here I consider angle C as the acute angle. So with respect to the angle C, BC is the adjacent side and opposite AB is the opposite side of the angle C. This is written as opposite side. So it is one way of representation of the three sides of the right angle triangle with respect to one acute angle. So you have to notice this point. Okay. Next, another way also we can name the sides of triangle. Let it be ABC, where B is 90 degree. Okay. So AC is always what here? The side which is opposite to the right angle is always hypotenuse. Okay. Now I am taking angle A as this is my acute angle. Okay. Before I consider angle C, now I am considering angle A. With respect to angle A, now BC becomes what? Opposite. BC is opposite. And the side which is opposite to angle A is adjacent angle. Adjacent side. Now you compare these two diagram. Just to practice it. Okay. See, B is this angle. All the right angle triangle has what? Right angle and two acute angles. Whenever you are finding the ratio between the two sides, we should consider any one angle as acute angle. With respect to that angle, first learn how to name the sides of the right angle triangle. It's very simple. Adjacent, opposite, hypotenuse. Adjacent side means the side which is adjacent to the given angle. Opposite, the name only say that the side which is opposite to the given angle. Similarly, another triangle. If you try for any kinds of any right angle triangle, see here, you can try. Now I am taking the triangle PQR. The angle P is 90 degree. Okay. Now you just try here, which is opposite to the angle P, that is QR. So this is opposite. This is opposite. Yes. Okay. Now I am considering angle Q. So now I consider angle Q. Then PR becomes what? Opposite. This is opposite, and this side PQ is what? Adjacent. Okay. First, in the beginning, learn properly how to name the sides of right angle triangle. Okay. So in right angle triangle, this way we can mark the three sides, naming of three sides. What are the three sides? Adjacent, opposite, and hypotenuse. Then you can able to write the 6 ratios of the right angle triangle. Yes. Okay. I hope you understand this concept. So next coming class I will explain about how to write the 6 different ratios of the right angle triangle. So till then, take care about you, study well, and yes, do share, comment and subscribe to Sai channel. Thank you for watching this video.
YouTube channel.